You do not need a better life to feel happier. You need to understand how your brain actually generates happiness. Because here is what most people get wrong. Happiness is not a result of what happens to you. It is a result of specific chemical reactions happening inside your brain. And those reactions can be triggered, deliberately, in seconds. Here are 3 brain tricks that actually work, backed by neuroscience, not motivational advice. Trick 1. Move your body for 2 minutes. Not a workout, not a run, just 2 minutes of movement. Your brain contains a chemical called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Scientists call it miracle grow for the brain. It grows new neurons, repairs existing ones, and is directly linked to mood elevation and emotional resilience. Physical movement, even walking around the room, releases BDNF within minutes. A study from the University of Vermont found that just 12 minutes of light movement significantly improved mood and reduced anxiety. Your brain does not know the difference between a 2-minute walk and an hour at the gym when it comes to immediate mood. Both trigger the same chemical response. Move, right now, 2 minutes. Trick 2. Name what you are feeling. This sounds too simple to work. It is not. When you experience a negative emotion and you say, even silently, "I feel anxious," or "I feel frustrated," something measurable happens in your brain. Neuroscientist Matthew Lieberman at UCLA discovered that labeling an emotion reduces activity in the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, almost instantly. He called it affect labeling. And it works the same way medication does, just slower and with no side effects. You are not suppressing the feeling. You are simply giving your brain's rational prefrontal cortex a handle to grab onto. And that single act reduces the emotional intensity within seconds. Name it, and it loses power over you. Trick 3. Do something for someone else. Research from Harvard Medical School found that acts of generosity activate the same reward circuits in the brain as receiving a gift yourself. Give a genuine compliment.
Great job!
Help someone carry something. Send a message checking on a friend. Your brain cannot distinguish between giving and receiving when it comes to dopamine release. The reward is identical. You do not need someone to do something for you to feel good. You need to do something for someone else. 3 tricks. 2 minutes of movement. Name your emotions. Give something to someone. None of these cost anything. None require willpower or a perfect mood to start. They just require knowing how your brain actually works. Subscribe to Deep Mind Chip. We give you the science behind how your mind actually works every single day.